Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to update your email on Binance? Today I am going to show you how to change your email in Binance. Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, open your Binance app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then select Security. Under Security Center, tap Change Email or Email. To update your details, tap the pencil icon, enter your new email address and request a verification code. Enter the verification codes sent to your old and new email as well as any two-factor authentication codes. If enabled, then tap confirm. That's it. Your Binance email has been successfully changed. Make sure to verify your new email to keep your account secure. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.